The one thing, if there was one thing that you could change in your life that would make the most difference, what would that be? The One Thing workshop is just one of the workshops in the August Energy Camp that I've set out for us next month. And this workshop will give you the space and opportunity, the tools and support to actually address that, whatever it is. It could be an event in the past, it could be a person, a relationship, it could be a pattern of behavior that you have that you're stuck on, or a craving or addiction. That whatever that one thing, this is a chance to give the attention there and to have some help and support to overcome that or to evolve that so it makes a real difference in your life. Just one of the great workshops in the August Energy Camp. Looking forward to seeing you there. Check out the link for more details.